Hey everyone, it's Marla. I'm here to show you the Statement Canvas Zip Top Pouch by 31 Gifts. This is a new style zip top pouch that we offer. It's comparable to the size of the Ruby Mini. It's in a canvas, and you would normally receive this with a blank side where you have the opportunity to add personalization for a little bit extra. If you choose to personalize it, there's so many options. I chose to use these new hearts that we have. We kind of heart to heart watercolor effect, and I wrote "I love my tribe" on it. You can do so many things with this. It makes a wonderful gift as well as a great day little clutch. And what I mean by that is with the day clutch is you can use this D-ring right here to put a a key fob on this little pouch right here, and you can also use it with a wristlet strap and just zip it up to go and get out and have a wonderful day out at the zoo or by the beach. What I also love about this is that it's soft. For being a canvas tote, you'd think it's a lot harsher, but it's a really soft canvas material, and the inside is very comforting and soft as well. So if you threw maybe a phone or some sort of electronic in there, you're not going to scratch the screen. Okay, so it does zip shut, and if you have one of these already, I'd love to see what you have chosen for your design. If you don't, you can go to ilovebigbags143.com to see all of the different styles of zipper pouches that we have, including the different types of personalization that you can do on your own. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.